And welcome back, YouTube. This is Booster Buster here with part 2 of my Dungeons & Dragons Unhallowed booster box opening, or booster case opening, sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and say this. These two on here feel significantly heavier than these three, so I'm gonna go ahead and save these two for last. And let's get right into this. I will say this, I was very happy with my pulls for the first part, especially this guy right here. He is actually one of the more expensive ones of the set, so I was very happy with it. Oh, alright. Let's break right into this one. Ooh, we got a new one right off the bat. As always, any duplicates I get, I will just be putting to the side. I will not be opening them. Looks like some sort of a slave driver. Okay, he's a torturer, so pretty close. Pretty cool mini. Put him right here. Oh, got another Fanlax soldier. Looks like his staff is pretty well, so I might keep that one for myself. Oh, got the stat cards. Put that to the side. Oh, got another one of him. Ooh. Got some sort of a crossbow carrier. Maybe a ranger? Ooh, his base is deformed. I hope I get a second one of him. Okay, it's a vampire hunter, so it's kind of like a Van Helsing character. And I was looking up online, and apparently, for some reason, the Unhallowed set in particular from the D&D line had the minis had a very big problem with factory dust on them. I don't know why, but apparently that is an issue with this set. So it's not that these are like fakes or anything, but they are like that they came this way from the factory. So I'm gonna have to do some washing of these when I get done with this, but I do hope I pull a second of this one because its base is warped. From what if you can see, you know, the detail through the dust, it's not bad. The face looks quite flat compared to the rest of the menu though. Ah, he's just going to be incapacitated at this time. I've got another changeling rogue. Very nice. Like I said, I hope I pull another one of him. Otherwise I'm going to have to try to ooh, might have another large mini in here. Got another zombie. Very cool. Can never have too many zombies. Oh, got a big mini. Oh, okay. It's some sort of giant owl. Let's take a look at this guy. Once again, I do highly appreciate the fact that they put it in this cardboard piece to protect the base from warping it. Really nice detail for this owl. I think it's like a giant celestial owl. That's actually a really nice mini. I'm really happy to pull that. It'll go in the back. Okay, is he on camera? Okay, there we go. What the heck is this? Some sort of a magic carpet ride. It actually has a clear base, which is unusual. I'm gonna have to check this out. It's a Wizard of Tumol. Unfortunately, a little paint splatter from the mini itself got on the base, but once again, prepaid minis ain't going to be perfect, and you probably can't even. The name's probably going to be illegible on here. But that's actually a pretty cool wizard character. Actually, that'd be really cool to use as like a. That'd actually be really cool to have as an NPC. That'd actually be really cool as an NPC. And once again, I do really appreciate the cardboard to protect it from getting damaged, because I imagine it's just on like a pole, kind of like the bat is. That's actually a pretty cool mini. I'm happy to get that. One I wasn't expecting to get, let's just put it that way. Let's see, let's do this Dracula one next. Actually, both the Dracula ones are kinda on the heavier side. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Let's see what our first mini is. Oh, got another archer. Goblin archer. Got a... oh, I forgot his name. Or some sort of lizard man. Oh, got another one of these really disgusting creatures. I'm sorry, that thing just freaks me out. Ooh, that looks actually really nice. Something new. Let's see. Oh, looks like he's a scythe wielder. Blood of Vol Divinity Seeker? Can't quite make out that last word, or this word right here. Because once again, a little bit of something on the base. Probably warpage. Actually, as an uncommon, it's actually pretty nice. Not bad. I really like that owl, though. I think that was a really cool mini. Ooh, yes! I was actually really hoping to get this guy. The vampire Count Dracula himself, as I like to call him, but this is one of the more desired minis from this set, so I'm really happy to have pulled him. What's his official name? What? Count Strahd von Zervalch Vampire. I was really hoping to get this one. This is the rare from this pack. His cape effect is actually really well done here. Really happy with it. And his sword's actually not that bent, so that's a bonus, so I don't have to really worry about that. Or his cane. Can't tell sword or cane. Cane, probably. But yeah, that running animation, just really epic. Really happy to pull this one. This was one of the two that I was really hoping to pull, so that can check that one off the list. I'll put him right in front. Hopefully he's in the picture. There we go. That was a good pull. You got the vampire from the Count Dracula pack, or front. That's actually really awesome. Alright, got another typical soldier type character as our common. Another Dwarven warrior. Oh, I think there's one more, or there's a seems like to be at least one larger size miniature in each pack. Come on. Ooh, that thing looks cool. Once again, have that cardboard on the base to protect it. I'm going to keep it on at this time just to keep the base from warping, but this is one that I've actually seen, and I believe it's like a Color of Darkness. It's basically a really translucent piece. It has like a whole bunch of skulls and stuff coming out of it. It's really awesome looking. Really nice. Really cool mini. That's an uncommon. Alright. Actually getting really good pulls in this set. I'd say that this is probably... I would definitely say that this set so far has been better than the Angel Fire set that I've opened, in my opinion. Let's see... Yeah, I'll open up the Shadow Dragon. And if you're wondering, well, aren't there supposed to be 6 packs? I do always keep 1 pack sealed when I from these cases, so the other Shadow Dragon is the pack that I'm keeping sealed. I'll never buy 1 case of a set and then and then I decide to keep 1 sealed. Now this is actually a pretty cool, neat little guy here. Let's see if I can get his name. It's an Intellect Devourer. Let's see if I can get that to show up on YouTube. There you go. It's an uncommon. It's pretty much a brain with arms. I imagine it probably eats your brain or steals your... Maybe like those brain slugs from Futurama type enemy. Or the giant brains. Maybe that's a little bit more of a better one that basically makes everybody stupid. Actually looks really cool, really well detailed. Oh, really well detailed. Really like him. Let's see if he appears on the screen. There we go. Alright, on to the next one. Oh, that's the stack cards. Oh, got another new one here. Let's see what he is, or she. Halfling Brawler. Let me see if I can get that to appear on YouTube. Should be good right there. Alright. Pretty cool little mini. Let's get another Fanlax Soldier. I think that's our 4th one. Another Changeling Rogue. Ooh, got another big one here. Let's see what it is. Huh. It's like some sort of steel bowl. It's a Gorgon. Okay, that's our rare. This actually looks pretty cool. Very monochromatic with those blue eyes. But yeah, it looks like a steel bowl in my opinion. It even has kind of like the brass ring a bowl would for a nose. Pretty cool. I like it. Let's see if I can get him to show up on screen at all. Oh, got another one of him. Let's see, as far as commons go, which ones am I hoping for? There's really nothing... Oh, the zombies, I guess. Zombies are probably one of the better commons out of this set to get. Oop, got something a little bit larger. Ooh, our first dupe large. That guy right there, what's his name? Marid. Alright, and there's a checklist as always. On to the last two packs. Which one should I open first? Which one is going to hold the money one? And which one is not? Let's do the werewolf. Hopefully he holds a werewolf. That's the other large one that I was looking for. Alright. Our first one is the guard. You're kind of like a basic warrior. Ooh, got a duplicate of an uncommon. Not bad. Got the wild, got the elf war singer. Ooh, I know that there's a large one in here. Ooh, another halfling brawler. Not bad. Like I said, I don't mind getting dupes of the really small ones. I really hope I get another pseudo-dragon. That would be really nice. But that might be asking for a little bit too much. Ooh, our checklist just got destroyed. Ooh, they got a big mini in there. Got another ghoul. You can never have too many ghouls either. Those are another great mini to have. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, after the stack cards. It's a big one. Oh, it's another one of him. Oh, that's unfortunate. I think there's another big one in there, though. Or good size. Yep. There's a bugbear. Man, this one is loaded with good size minis. And here's should be the ooh, it's a copper dragon. That's our rare. Unfortunately, this was one of the rares that I got in one of the 3-packs that I purchased earlier. So this is going to be a duplicate for me. So if anybody out there would like to trade for this copper dragon or buy it, sorry, brass dragon. I keep on calling it copper. It's a brass dragon. If anybody would like to trade for it, I will clean all these minis up. So anybody want to trade for this or buy it, I'd definitely be willing to do that. Oh, let's just take a look at this mini though. Really nice detail. The wings are not in the best position, but you can only work with a limited set in this type of box. The face is actually pretty well done too for an older set like this. And I think that was the last one. Yep. Alright guys, can we pull I think it's Werewolf Lord is his name, out of the vampire box. The vampire box, Dracula box, was really good to us for the first one. Let's see if it's kind to us this time. Ooh, here's a new one. This is actually kind of cool looking. It's a fire method, so to go with our air one. Pretty cool. Like a fire demon type thing. Really like the translucency of this piece, really nice. It's not exactly small, but it's not. It's a standard size one, I'd say. Oh, got our another Goblin Archer. Got another Lizard Man. Oop. Here's a duplicate uncommon, the Blood Seeker. Ooh, it's a large one. Ooh, it's not. Well, it's not the werewolf Lord, but it is a pretty cool mini. Let's take a look. The Ogre Executioner, rare. Got a big old chef's knife there. Looks like he's ready to take anything on. Really well detailed on this guy right here. Looks like he's pretty cool. So that would be our last rare. There is a chance to get one more uncommon in this box. It should be Bugbear. That'd be a common. Got the stat cards. And our last uncommon is another large one. Oh. It is the Caller of Darkness again. Once again, not a bad mini to have a dupe of, because then I can display one without the base. And what is our last what's our last common? It's the Ghoul. Alright. I think that this has been a pretty successful opening. Definitely, my opinion, the best mini that I got was definitely this guy, the Vampire, and the Giant Ice Elemental. Definitely the best minis out of this box. This has been Booster Box Buster, opening up part 2 of Case of Dungeons and Dragons Unhallowed booster case. Signing out.